Hey guys, welcome back to New Look. I'm back with another natural homemade DIY remedy which can give you amazing results for your skin. For this we are going to use 5 to 6 ingredients which can be very helpful to get your skin fairer, lighter and brighter. So let's get started. You use coconut oil, lemon, honey, yogurt and turmeric powder. By using all these ingredients, turmeric powder, curd, coconut oil, honey and lemon, now I am going to show how to prepare skin whitening mask at your home. Take a bowl. Generally, every woman has a desire of having flawless white skin, but it is not possible for every woman. Even for the bright skin women, we have a tanning, dark spots, wrinkles, patches on our skin. This remedy is very helpful for all the skin types, all the skin problems too. Now after taking a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curd, 1/4 spoon of this turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, cut this lemon, squeeze out the juice. Half of the lemon is enough. Squeeze the juice of half lemon and just 2 to 3 drops of oil. Now mixing all these ingredients. Don't use too much of turmeric, it will affect your skin. Only a pinch of turmeric will give a lot of results, miracle results for your skin. Mixing it well, take a brush. Make sure that the brush you take is of soft bristles. This is very soft because we are going to apply on your face, which is very sensitive. Don't use hard brushes, use soft bristle brushes. Dip into the mixture and apply on your face. The main mistakes we all do is any face pack we just apply on your face, we forget to apply on your neck. We neglect the neck actually. If people don't do like that, neck is very important. Apply on the entire face and neck too. Let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just sprinkle some water onto it and massage. Apply some pressure so that all the properties of the turmeric powder and honey will go into your skin and clean your skin from the inside to get fairer, smoother skin. With the help of your tip of fingers, just massage like this and allow 10 more minutes to get dry. After 10 minutes, you just wash with cold water or else normal water and apply some moisture to your skin. After cleaning your face, you will feel smooth and shine. You can see here. This is very easy process, but you have to remove all the ingredients, that is turmeric powder, honey, lemon, coconut oil, only a few drops of coconut oil and whatever we used, curd. Most importantly, the curd which moisturize your skin. By using all these 5 ingredients, you will get a natural face pack at your home. All these items are readily available at your doorstep, that is at your kitchen. So please try at your home and don't forget to subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.